Now in this video, we're going to answer the following question. Solve the following for theta. In the interval, theta is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 360 degrees. And we've been given the equation 3 multiplied by the cosine of theta equal to -2. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, sharing this video, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Solving a trigonometric equation involving the cosine function requires us to find all possible values of the angle theta that satisfy the equation. Answering this question is a 3-step process. To begin, we need to isolate the cosine function in order to find the principal value of theta. Before using a quadrant diagram, to first draw the angle in the correct quadrant. Then, using that as a reference, find values of theta that satisfy the equation in the question within the interval 0 to 360 degrees. We've been given the equation 3 multiplied by the cosine of theta equal to -2. And we need to isolate theta. We can do that first by dividing both sides by 3, which cancels 3 on the left side of the equation, giving us cosine theta equal to -2/3. Then, by taking the inverse cosine of both sides, which gives us theta equal to the inverse cosine of -2/3. And the angle whose cosine is equal to -2/3 is 131.8 degrees. This value of theta is the principal angle, but this is not necessarily the only solution to the equation. To find all of the solutions in the given range, we need to draw a diagram of the 4 quadrants. A, S, T, and C in anti-clockwise order. Abbreviations for all, sine, tangent, and cosine. Each quadrant represents positive values for sine, cosine, and tangent, or, in the case of all, positive values for all 3. A positive angle is measured anti-clockwise from the positive horizontal axis, and a 131.8 degree angle is drawn in the top left quadrant, which is the sine quadrant. In this quadrant, the sine ratio is positive, and the cosine and tangent ratios are negative, confirming that the cosine of 131.8 degrees has a negative value. Cosine is also negative in the tangent quadrant. So, continuing in a clockwise direction, we can draw a second angle in this quadrant. And this angle has the value 360 minus 131.8, which is 228.2 degrees. So, we can see from the diagram that theta has two values: 131.8 degrees and 228.2 degrees, and both are solutions to the equation in the interval 0 to 360 degrees. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like, a comment, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.